Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this purple and pink cut crease look using the Venus XL palette. So that's this one here. I'm a huge fan of the Lime Crime Venus palettes. I've got 5 of them. I thought it would be fun to create a series of Lime Crime Venus looks, 1 look per palette. So today is part 2 of this series. If you haven't seen this palette before, I'll give you a little look. These are all the colours. It's got a bit of a mixture of shades in there. There's some very versatile shades which can be used for everyday looks. And then on the other scale of things, there's quite bright and vibrant, crazy colours in there. So it's a really nice palette. I think you can use it to create so many different looks. The quality is amazing. It's super creamy and pigmented, very easy to blend, and the shimmery shades have a lot of shimmer. If you guys haven't seen part 1 of this series, I will pop it right here for you guys. Otherwise, if you'd like to see how I created this beautiful look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've already done my face makeup, my eyebrows, and I've put concealer on my eyelids to be my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to be taking this small pencil brush and this dark purpley shade here, which is called Boticelli. And I'll just be putting this in my crease and in my outer third of my eyelid. I'm just going to be packing it on and leaving it quite harsh at the moment, and then I'll be blending it out afterwards. Okay, now we've got the base colour down. I'm going to be taking this fluffy blending brush. I'm using this colour here called Scallop. I'm going to be using that to blend out the edges of the purple shade around the crease. Alright, now we've got the crease colours done, I'm going to be doing a cut crease. So to do this, I'm using my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Light Warm 3. And I'm using this with Flat Concealer Brush by NYX. I'm then going to blend the edge out with my finger to make the blending of the eyeshadow easier after this. Okay, now we've carved out the crease using concealer. I'm going to be setting the inner third of the eyelid using a light shade. So the shade that I'm going to be using, this one here, which is called Blank Canvas, and I'm using that with this small eyeshadow brush. For the center part of my eye and to blend into the purple, I'm going to be taking this slightly larger eyeshadow brush and this shade here, which is called Flora. Alright, now both of the cut creases are done. I'm going to be doing some eyeliner. So I'm just going to be using my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just drawing a really thin line, just so that when I put my eyelashes on, you won't be able to see any gap. Okay, now I'm going to be using some glitter eyeliner. The eyeliner that I'll be using is this liquid crystal liner by NYX, and this is in the shade Crystal Pink. And I'm just going to be using this to line the cut crease just around the nude beige colour. Once I get to the corally colour, that's where it's going to fade out. Okay, now we're going to move to underneath the eye. So I'm going to be taking that same dark purple and first smoking out the lash line using that. Then I'm going to be blending it out using the same colour that we used to blend out the crease. Alright, now I'm going to be adding some eyeliner to my waterline. So what I'm using is Kylie Jenner lip pencil. This is in the shade called K, and just applying this to my waterline. Now I'll just be adding a couple of coats of mascara. So I'm going to be using my Decay Perversion mascara. Alright, now we're going to do some highlighting. So I'm just going to take my trusty Lime Crime Opals highlight and this shade here, which is called Pink, and just be taking this on a small eyeshadow brush and using this to highlight my tear duct, brow bone, cupid's bow, tip of my nose, and for my cheek highlight I will be using this fluffy duo fiber brush. For my lips, I'm just going to be taking this lipstick by MAC, which is in the shade Rich and Restless. The last step is just to apply some lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are these lashes from Junkie, and they're in the style Boss. I'm just going to go pop these on off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did creating this video. If you did, then please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Also, turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss anything from me. I will be posting a Venus XL3 look in 2 days, so if you want to see that, then make sure you subscribe so you know when it's posted. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.